Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tosin. If you're new here, click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, let me give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Welcome. I'm going to be trying out something I've never done before. I don't deal very well with my hair, but God has really been good because this hair is supposed to have fallen off if it is by the way I treat it. So this period we've been on lockdown and I've not been able to make my hair, and I just really want to change my look. Like, does that happen to you where you just feel like you look a certain way and you just really want to switch up? Like, and so I basically just said that I really want to make my hair, and then I saw some of my friends online making their hair. I said that, okay, let me try it and then show you guys. Okay, so I'm going to just film some parts of this video, definitely not everything. I think it would be very impossible to film everything, but I'm going to film some parts so you guys can come with me. Let me show you what I'm going to be making use of for today's video. So guys, this is what I'm making use of. So yeah, darling, yeah, and this is how it looks outside of the pack. This is how it looks. It's very long, like very long. So yeah, I'm about to just start by parting my hair. That's the part that bothers me the most, because parting my own hair, like, hey guys, so I would like to say at this point that if you have anyone at home that could help you part your hair, please just beg them to help you, because it's quite stressful and you get better results when someone else does it for you. Also check the description box for where I got my weave, and yeah, that's basically it for now. Hey guys, I'm sweating so bad. Like, this is not easy in any way. I don't know. The weather is actually quite hot, but then I'm so stressed. Oh my god, I'd rather just be in a salon where someone is making this for me. It's so stressful. Damn. I'm in the middle now and I'm moving. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just hoping it's neat at this point because it's in a lot of work. Yeah. There's supposed to be like a mirror in front of me and behind me, but that thing confuses me like crazy. Like, it makes me lose my, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I can't, I lose my bearing. I don't know how to explain it. So I'll just rather not, you know. Let me pack this one. So guys, there are like several ways you can do this. You can plait your hair first and then crochet like in between, and then just like start with a braid then twist it out, or you can just use the rubber band method. Now the problem with the rubber band method is that a couple of people claim that it cuts their hair. So if you are on that table, if you feel like the rubber band will cut your hair, then why not just plait your hair and then continue with the crochet, something like that. And I realize it's not perfect, but my arms hurt so much, I don't care. So this is like a crochet pin, and so I want to just see, like this one. Now I'm kind of confused on how, I know I want it to be long, right? But I don't know, I want it to be thick also. I don't want it to be this thin. So I'm thinking of merging two together to get this thickness. Even this one is not thick enough. Maybe 3. I don't know, Sha. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've been watching YouTube videos for this, and basically they just said you unravel it gently This one does not look sad. So unravel it gently. So yeah, this is what I have as the center. So once I add, like, I can always add others to it depending on what I want. And what I want is thick. I want thick length. So I just tried unraveling it from the top. It was bad. So my sister just corrected me. I'm supposed to put it into my hair first. So okay. Then you start putting the hair one by one. You pushing one inside. Also, then I have to crochet it one after the other. I get it now. Okay. Pull out. Oh my god, I'm doing it! I'm so excited. Wow. I'm making my own hair. Yo. I'm now a hairstylist. Okay, wait. This thing's so weird. I hope I've not pulled everything out too. Yeah! I have one in. Okay, let me do the other two. Wow, okay, this is going to take time more. If I'm doing one after the other. I've played myself. Multiply around me. Oh, sorry. I'm going to put it into my hair first. Right? Like that. So this is what I have so far. I'm so excited. Like, you guys are fixed to just 2 out of 30. And I'm screaming like this. Oh my god, it looks so good, you guys. I'm so pumped. Like, it's so fine. Wow, this will be worth it, I'm sure. So guys, the questions have been asked since I made my hair. How many packs did I make use of? I made use of just 2 packs and then 3 strands from the 3rd pack. It depends on how full you want the hair to be, really, and then the length, and there's so many things to put into consideration, but I think 3 packs will be perfect. The pack that I bought has 30 strands in it, so yeah, so let's just say I made use of, at the end of the day, I made use of 64 strands. So you guys, my sister helped me divide my hair, so the front part is like way better, and she also used rubber bands. So like, can you see? I don't know if you guys can see it, but I've compartmentalized the hair using rubber bands. Can you guys see it? It's getting dark. Maybe I should put on my ring lights. But so like, I feel like the ones with rubber bands are neater. Like from the beginning it's very slim, and then it's just really neat. But I don't know, depends on you. Some people said that rubber bands cut their hair, so depends on what you want. It actually took a while for me to finish this hair. It took me almost 7 hours, to be honest, but I think it's very much worth it. I really like the way it looks, and then also the contact information of who I got it from will be in the description box. Don't forget to copy yours. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you learned something new. I hope I've been helpful. Please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye guys, till next time.